I chose to come to university originally my interest was to work with offenders and maybe to look into criminology, but when I looked into it I thought that psychology would be great. It gives me a good understanding of criminals and why people offend, and gives me an insight as to how I could help those people as well. It's all the debates that we get into the lecture rooms. Everybody's got different opinions, and it's great to voice your opinion and hear other people's opinions. That's really exciting and interesting to see how other people think. At the moment it's a lot of lectures, but they are interesting. We get to study things like body language and how we behave a certain way from childhood, and the nature-nurture debate. So, I mean, at the moment all the lectures are very interesting. Exciting, interesting, challenging. It's definitely given me confidence in my academic outlook. I never thought I'd come to university. I never thought I'd be able to cope with university. And it's just given me the confidence. I feel like I'm doing really well. I do understand, although it is challenging, I feel that I'm doing really well, and it's definitely given me a lot of confidence. I really like to go into forensic psychology. I've just started some volunteering with some youth offenders, so I want to get into that field, help people, why they're offending, get them back on the right track.